Today we're going to change out the oxygen sensor on a 2012 Ford Focus. It is located behind the engine on top. And there goes the part that unplugs. And down there is the part that you need to use this socket. Where'd the socket go?
On top of the engine.
Oh. This is the socket. It's a 7/8 specialty socket that you use to unplug the oxygen sensor. Right there.
Unscrew the oxygen sensor.
Oh, to unscrew the oxygen sensor. Okay, now this part has already been unplugged from this area right in here. Everything is just right on top. And that's where it needs to be unscrewed. And there you have it. The bad oxygen sensor. And I think that took less than 5 minutes to remove. And now to put in the new oxygen sensor. This is the new oxygen sensor. Looks just like this old one. So what we're gonna do first,
Make sure it always has this I forget what they call that. Anti-seize liquid.
is that on there?
Yeah, it's already on there. A lot of them come with it, some don't. But it keeps it from seizing up inside the exhaust pipe. Always make sure it's got anti-seize on it.
Okay, so we made sure that we have the anti-seize liquid on it. Some of them come with it, some of it has to be applied, but looks like this one has the liquid on it. And so we put in the socket part first that has to be screwed in. Okay, and then you use your specialty socket to go in and tighten it up. And then you take the other part that has to just be plugged in. And there you have it. My video shows 4 minutes and 30 seconds from beginning to end on how to replace an oxygen sensor on the 2012 Ford Focus. Thank you.